Welcome to another MBS News Update. I'm Dr. Janelle Charles Williams.
And I am Naika Walsh George.
October is a symbolic month in many respects. It is the month when we begin celebration activities marking the independence anniversary of Antigua and Barbuda. It is also our anniversary month here at the Medical Benefit Scheme. And for the entire month of October, we recognized the warriors of breast cancer by pinking it out every Friday. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, approximately 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in her lifetime. And because the signs of breast cancer can vary from woman to woman, you are encouraged to routinely conduct breast self-examinations.
Truly, early detection and prevention matters most.
And thank you to the Prevention Unit for organizing a staff breast screening examination session this month.
What is your general knowledge about MBS and about Antigua and Barbuda like? We took a tour around MBS to find out from staff. Here's a recap of their responses.
Rose Avenue, Grace Farm, All Saints, and Johnson's Point.
Grace Farm, Browns Avenue, Johnson's Point, All Saints, Clear.
Okay, so the satellite pharmacies are Grace Farm, Clear Hall, Browns Avenue, Johnson's Point, and All Saints.
That's
False. That's false.
No, we're off level.
False.
False.
In 2017.
Cuba was acting in 2017.
No, in that one for
Well,
yeah.
I would say the current, Mr. Silson.
In 2017, the CEO, which was 3 years ago, was Kevin Silster.
Early 2017, we didn't have a CEO, but late 2017, Mr. Silster was appointed.
All of them?
cancer, asthma, cardiovascular disease, lymphoma, leukemia. That's right. We also have diabetes.
Asthma?
Yeah, I already said asthma. Diabetes, that's 6. Hypertension, 7. Lupus?
That I'm not sure.
Oh, you need all 11? Okay, so let's go. Cancer, hypertension, diabetes, glaucoma, Parkinson, sickle cell, certified lunacy, leprosy, and there's 3 more. Cholesterol, diabetes, and there's 1 more. I don't remember what the 11th one is.
So I know we cover hypertension, diabetes,
mental health. Yeah. Come on, help me here. Not sure if Alzheimer's is one of them. Cancer. That's it for now.
Okay, asthma, cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes, glaucoma, sickle cell. I'm stuck at 6. We do leprosy? No, we do. Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
False.
I don't know that off the top of my head. Only if I sing the whole thing. I'm sorry. What is it?
Honestly, I can't.
Exactly. Only if I'm singing it. Oh well.
What? Steering nothing, giving up. Gird your lines and join the battle. Guessing it and poverty. I don't remember.
We salute thee. Can I Google it? I can't sing.
Gird your lines and join the battle.
We hope you enjoyed our special segment.
Chairman of the Medical Benefits Board, Senator Osborne Frederick, is extending congratulations to the entire MBS family on our 41st anniversary.
41 years in an organization, the life of an organization or institution, can be considered a long time. This month of October, the Medical Benefits Scheme celebrates 41 years of service to the people of Antigua and Barbuda. And we look forward to continuing to serve the people of this fair nation with the quality service that we have been doing, and even to improve on that service. It's an incredible achievement and accomplishment for Medical Benefits Scheme, since no other country in the entire organization of Eastern Caribbean state can boast of such a mechanism which provides substantial healthcare financing opportunities to its residents. We are very proud of that. The pandemic COVID-19 has significantly impacted our revenue. Yet, we continue and have managed to operate under these circumstances. Amidst the challenges, we have been able to meet the financial commitments of the scheme. Our beneficiaries have been adequately served. No one has been without medication, and our outside services like the hospital has been adequately served every month, even during this pandemic. However, COVID-19 has forced us to re-examine the way we operate, we do business in response to the changing environment. But it has also presented us with new opportunities. We have opened up new ways for our employers to make payments to us. And we have entered into merchant arrangements with several financial institutions on Antigua so that payments can be made from the comfort of your home, your offices, even just while relaxing. Our network of pharmacies around the island have also given opportunities to our beneficiaries and has speeded up the time process, and so we do not have the long lines waiting. That has also been a result of COVID. So with all of the negatives, it has helped us to bring some positive to the scheme and to our beneficiaries. We do not know what the future holds. COVID-19 might be with us for a while. However, I hate to even say it, because every day I pray that this thing ends. And so to say it could be with us for a long time, somebody up above me might be saying, "Oh, thou of little faith." But as we continue to struggle, I just want to commend the staff at the medical benefit scheme. I have said over and over again that I think this organization has some of the best staff members you can find anywhere in this country. And I say it without fear of contradiction. I just want you to continue to be strong. It will get better sooner rather than later. Let us continue to provide the top quality service that we have been providing to our beneficiaries. Let us continue to work together so that medical benefits can be around. There is talk of national insurance, but whatever happens, the core of medical benefit will still be there. And so I'm asking all my staff members to just let's rally together and make medical benefit the best organization, the best institution in Antigua and Barbuda. God bless you all. Long live Medical Benefit Scheme. Happy 41st birthday, Medical Benefit.
Thank you, Senator Frederick. We said farewell and happy retirement to Ms. Viola Richards of the Claims Payable Department, who served the organization for 22 years and 3 months. We also congratulate newly licensed pharmacist, Ms. Janissa Griffith, who joined our organization. And as we wrap up this segment, just a few reminders. When applying for a vacation, your request must be approved before proceeding on vacation. Employers with accounts at CIBC First Caribbean International Bank Limited can now make direct payments to MBS.
Dengue is in the air. We encourage you to check your home surroundings to ensure there are no stagnant water pools that can serve as breeding ground for mosquitoes. COVID remains a threat. Wear your mask in public areas of the medical benefit scheme and when serving customers. Your mask should always cover your nose and mouth and nicely tucked under your chin. And until next time, stay safe and inspired. I'm Dr. Janelle Charles Williams.
And I am Naika Walsh George.
It's a birthday, vibe with me. It's a birthday, no worry. So push up your hand and wine my day. Feel the beat real sweet, sweet and sweet, bread, butter and cheese. Feel the vibe real nice. If you feel nice, give you better high five. Tell me why you worry and fret. Tell me why you just put all this pressure. One night a day, do your best and find out and just enjoy yourself. Hey, it's a birthday, be happy.